Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 16th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about relative linking. And relative linking is linking from one section of a document to another section of the same document from within the document, right? And we use the anchor tag for relative linking as well, and we've already seen an example of the anchor tag in the last tutorial. And what I have here is text from Spain's Wikipedia page, and I just copied all the text that was there on the page and I pasted that text in this text file and in this HTML document. And all the text is between the opening pre-tag here and the closing pre-tag. I don't know, I have to scroll down way below. So the closing pre-tag is on line number 805, right? So between the opening and closing pre-tag I have all this text, and I also have two anchor tags in this file, and also a pair of heading tags. So let me show you guys the heading tags first. So I have my opening heading tag, the h2 tag, on line number 14 here, and the corresponding closing heading tag is on line number 70. So this section is going to appear in bold, and it's also going to have a greater font size, and this is the content section, right? So I just want this to be highlighted on the web page, and that's why I have this within the h2 tags. And similarly there is another section in this page. I'll show you guys where that is. Yeah, so it's right here, and this one again is between heading tags. So I have another opening heading tag on line number 619, and I have the corresponding closing tag on line number 649, as you can see here. So let me show you guys this page in Google Chrome. So this is how it looks, and as you can see, the text at the top of the screen, this is not bold, and it's also smaller in size as compared to the contents section, which is in bold and also has a greater font size. And similarly, if I would scroll down, then the languages section is, again, see over here, again this is in bold and it's also greater in size. So the reason why I've highlighted these sections is because what I want to do is I want to click on the languages item in the content section here, and I want to be taken to the languages section in the document, right? So this is what happens. I'm sure you guys have used Wikipedia. So when you click on an item in the content section for a page in Wikipedia, you are taken to that particular section in the page. So over here, if I would click on the languages link, which is there in the content section, then I'm taken to the languages section in the document, right? And I can read it, and I can have other links too, from within the content section to the other sections in the document. So now let's see how we've achieved this using the HTML that we have in this document. So I'll go first up to the content section and see what I have there. And obviously I have used the anchor tag for creating the link. Now the href attribute this time takes the value hash languages, right? So instead of specifying a URL here, since we are redirecting the user to another section in the same document, we don't have to mention the URL of this document here as a value to the href attribute. I have used the pound symbol or the hash, and then I have typed in languages, and you could even type in your own name here as long as this text matches the text at the destination. And we're going to check out how the anchor tag looks at the destination, but I have just typed languages here, right? And that's why this item 6.5 spaced languages appears as a hyperlink in the web page when you see it in a browser. And now I would scroll down and show you guys how the destination anchor tag looks. So I would scroll down to the languages section. Yeah, here it is. So over here again I have the anchor tag, and between the less than and greater than symbol I have a space name. So this time I don't have the href attribute here, I have the name attribute, and it takes the value languages. So over at the top, if you would have given the name let's say Spain_languages instead of just languages, then you would have had to use the same name here, right? So you would have had to type Spain underscore languages here too. But since we use languages, or rather hash languages, in the upper anchor tag, we have to use languages here. And again, this is the place where you will be redirected if you click on the link that's made through the anchor tag in the content section. And again, you have the closing anchor tag. So this is what relative linking is, and it's very useful, particularly in such documents in which there is a lot of text and people have to scroll down. And let's say there are like in this document there are 807 lines of text. So for even bigger documents that have thousands and thousands of lines, if someone's interested in only one particular section, then it would make sense to create links at the top so that people can click on a link of their choice and be taken directly to whatever they wish to read. Right, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we'll check out more HTML, and I hope you guys are enjoying this course, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.